Chapter 8. Tenses. Today, let us learn about tenses. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Every tense has four forms that we will study today. But before understanding about tenses, you should know about all the forms of the verbs. Let us learn few forms of verbs now. Present tense, first form. Past tense, second form. Past participle, third form. Ask, asked, asked. Begin, began, begun. Rise, rose, risen. Say, said, said. Hear, heard, heard. Look, looked, looked. Make, made, made. Throw, threw, thrown. Teach, taught, taught. The past indefinite tense or simple past tense. Affirmative sentences. Sentence formation formula for such sentences is subject plus verb second form plus object plus etc. Second form of verb is used with both singular and plural objects, like I wrote a book. Negative sentences. Sentence formation formula for negative sentences is subject plus did plus not plus verb first form plus object plus etc. Here, did not is used with singular as well as plural objects. And then, the first form of the verb is pleased, like I did not write the book. Interrogative sentences. Sentence formation formula for sentences that question are did plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus etc. plus question mark. In interrogative sentence, did is placed before the subject, and then we use first form of the verb followed by question mark at the end of the sentence. Like, did they see the museum? The present perfect tense. This tense is formed by has or have, followed by third form of main verb, like, I have done dinner. He has learnt guitar. There are some rules that are to be learned. Rule 1. We use has plus V3 with third person, singular subject, and have plus V3 with third person, plural subject. Have plus V3 is also used for the subjects I, we, and you, like, we have completed our homework. For negative sentences, not is used between have or has and the main verb, like, he has not taken his gift yet. In interrogative sentences, the word has or have is used before the subject, and the main verb comes after the subject, like, has Meet played a song? You should remember few important points. This tense is used for the works or events which have happened or have completed in the recent past. Here we use just, recently, already. For example, I have recently read this novel. This is also used for the work which was started in the past but is still continuing. We use for or since for such expressions. For example, I have eaten nothing since morning. This tense is used for such works which got completed in the past, but their effect is experienced even in the present. Like, the Shatabdi Express has arrived.